got a forward from my wife. I'm not there on Instagram, and she forwarded it to me. Then anyway, I was into all this from past 15 years. So I just got she told, why don't you go there? And then that's the way it started. And then I thought why I should how to go alone and all. Then I called my friend. He told, well, okay, why not? Let us go.
Well, first of all, the landscape is totally different from anything that I've ever seen. I'm still fascinated by all the books of the trees and the different types of trees here. Yes, mangrove forests. Again, you read about these things, but you don't physically experience it. I never expected that, everything will be on a boat. Because when I spoke about this, my brother told me, are you taking your gumboots with you? I said, why do you need gumboots? He said, it's very swampy land there. But we never stepped on land.
I have seen the mangrove forest, but not as a large forest. I had seen Sundarban in our navigational charts. But physically, I have never entered. Ships don't enter this area. I found it beautiful that although I've seen other forests like mountainous forest in Odisha with big trees and rocks, but here the trees are small but still look very, very beautiful.
Saltwater crocodile, then various kinds of kingfishers, the rare species of owl. Yeah, buffalo. Yeah, I don't remember the names of birds, so it's
kingfishers, storks.
Yeah, storks are there. Yeah.
The ones which are different, I'll talk about those, is the otter. I mean, all aquatic wildlife that we don't see normally. And I wish I could see more of the otters, but they're very shy. We saw the otters, and in fact, we saw a pod of them later on. But they ran away immediately. So those are creatures which you don't see normally. You only read about them or see pictures, and this is something different, quite different.
The first sighting on this vacation was the bird I love very much, the peregrine falcon, one of the fastest bird in the world. I felt just like seeing a tiger itself, seeing that bird, since I've never seen it myself. I've only studied in the books.
Stay was good and clean, neat and tidy, and service was good as well.
Even the staff of the hotel was also courteous. So yes, it was a pleasant experience.
The rooms are very comfortable. The AC never went off. That's one thing. Everything was clean and neat, and it was well maintained.
Especially the Bengali food, I really enjoyed. Normally in Calcutta, 5-star hotel also you ask for typical Bengali food, they don't serve, they serve North Indian food. But here in the boat I found homely and Bengali food I really enjoyed.
Rathan by himself is a very, very hearty man. He was standing for 12 hours on the boat to show us about the animals and birds present in this pristine environment. Thank him, and also the owner of this boat, Mr. Biren, who put in all his efforts to show us a tiger.
So mainly we were looking for a tiger in national park, but while looking for tiger, we saw that something is moving along with the river banks. So we were thinking, and somehow we saw two eyes beneath the water. So we were thinking what it would be. So it was a crocodile. It was a saltwater crocodile mainly. It was trying to kill a fish and came up. Yeah, it ate fish and it immediately went to the water. It didn't even wait for another second or anything. But yes, it was a very good sighting and it's a rare sighting. I haven't seen a killing by a crocodile before this. Shashank is an encyclopedia. That's the only thing I can say.
You give any word and he have all the list of their details, their origins, their everything, their behavior, their landmarks and everything. So he's like, I'm curious to know where he got this information.
Well, I know Shashank for some time now, since I met him in 2018. But since then he has grown a lion's mane and I wish he would cut it off.
Amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.